Sup, bitches? Welcome to my personal hell. We're on the way to our friend Becca's birthday boat party, which almost didn't even happen.
Oh yeah.
The boat hit the boat.
That shit was a safety hazard.
I'll insert a picture later.
Oh hell no!
But anyway, yeah, see you there, bye.
So quiet.
This is not a good time to be recording.
We're catching predators today.
You need to leave. She's the predator. I am, boys.
Dinner.
Birthday girl!
Hey.
It's like a crab walk.
I want someone to love me. I need a boy who can cuddle with me all night. Give me one, let me long, be my sunlight. Tell me lies, we can argue, we can fight. Yeah, we did it before, but we'll do it tonight. Yeah, that fro black boy with the gold teeth, your dark skin looking at me like you know me. I wonder if you got the G or the B. Let me find out and see coming over to me. These days I'm way too lonely. I'm missing out, I know. These days I'm way too alone, and I'm not forgiving, love away, but I want someone to love me. I need someone to leave me.
Thank you guys for coming. I love you guys. I'm sorry. Was that a little? Oh. He said, watch this, bitch. I'm gonna cry. I'm not crying. Like, the bitch is not crying. I'm not crying.
It's good content.
Captain!
Stop wasting the grapes.
We're not wasting it.
Ew.
I know. I'll fight the bitch.
Oh, you're right. I'll be like.